everyone. Welcome back. This is Celux Yachts. Today, we're taking our clients on an unforgettable trip aboard the stunning UD30 yacht. Let's take a look.
Your celebration should look exactly like this. You deserve it. And what if we told you that you're not just renting a yacht, you're hiring us to create a flawless experience? Planning an unforgettable birthday or anniversary? We'll take care of the decor, catering, and atmosphere to create a memory that lasts a lifetime. Every event has its purpose, and we have the perfect solution. Celux. Your emotions are our craft. Send us a message or leave an inquiry on our website. We'll make your celebration truly unforgettable.